Angela Okorie si na Destiny Etiko bụ nwa aka nchi na ife na ọchịchị ya nwerekwa mmekọ na nya nwa bụ ife Destiny Etiko wee bụrụ ọchịchị ndebe abịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ nke na-afịa n'ihu akwụkwọ na sinsi Destiny Etiko na Angela Okorie ji wee jecha agbamakwụkwọ Ruby Ọjị Akọ na nya bụ ife na-afịakwa afịa wee na-azụ azụ nke bụkwa na onye nke a na-akpọ Legit Queen apụtagokwa ebe a onwekwa na ife ọkọfọ Destiny Etiko bịakwanụ ka unu were ntị unu wee nụrụ ọ sịkwa n'ụkwụ nwa aka nchi na ego nya bụ Angela Okorie spendịrị ede na ahụ ya na Destiny Etiko espendibekwa ya wanye ka osi n'ọwa mmụntu bịakwanụ ka unu gere nọ na-akọwakwa n'ọkakwa Destiny Etiko wee nwee ego nke a dịzikwa ka ala anya ọkụ ka a na-ayị ya bụ ife abụrụkwa na obere ife na ọ na-afịakwa afịa wee na-azụ azụ ntịkwa ka m wetara unu ka unu tokwa wee nụrụ na onye Angela na-akọ ọnụ oge ọbụla ọ dị praibekwa Angela otuo mana Angela everyday ọ nọ n'ịntanetị ọkọ ọnya okozugokwa Destiny Etiko ife ruru ọnụ 100 Destiny Etiko arị praibekwa otu mkpụrụ biko gwagodunu m onye na-epuru mashọdụ n'ife nke anụnwa bịakwanụ ka unu gere nke ọ kọkwara ya kịta na ọ nwekwa ife ọkụfọ hie.
You have low self-esteem. Take it to your backyard. I'm not seeing you. To your backyard. Because the last time I checked, you don't look as tall as a yam. I'm 6 feet. Nigga, you're 5 feet. Short like a dwarf. You get me? Skin telling. Nigga, listen, let me tell you. Y'all go tell that black bitch. Tell her I said, the money I spent for only my skin routine is more expensive. It's higher than her artist fee. Than your so-called black bitch artist fee. Yeah. Please tell him. Let me tell you something. If you know you got a problem with me, come to me face to face. Stop hanging around the corners. Stop using people like an MC to come and chat shit on the stage. Listen, when I walk into a place, I'm a light. And darkness cannot stay where there is light. You don't understand it. I am light. Everything around me is light. Everything you see around me is the glory of God. I am not in competition with one low-life non-entity or Kukibo. You don't understand? When you see me in events, don't run away. Do you know that one day we were flying on a plane and we are all on business class? This girl waited outside until we all boarded the plane. The last person to board the plane was her. And then when she entered, she started making calls, calling her. I don't know who she was calling on the phone. And she was putting the camera behind me to see where I was sitting. Nigga, I'm not even friends with you. Why are you so obsessed with me? Why are you obsessed with me? Why are you obsessed with me? You won't make friendship with me. Come close. Come tell me, Angela, I like you so much. I want us to be friends. Stop being an enemy. Stop being a confused admirer. Because that's who you are. Because you're always with you. You're always in competition. I'm not always in competition. I want people living just real life, like on a low key. You know what I mean? I don't keep. If you see me, I don't keep friends in the industry. In the industry, I don't keep friends in the industry because push music. That legit you hear over there, I put in over 300 million naira in me. That legit. No hating, no discriminating, no hating. The money I spent for only my skin routine is more expensive. It's higher than her artist fee. Can I say that again for the people at the back to hear? Can I say that to the people at the back to hear? Listen, the money I spent for my skin routine is more higher than your so-called black artist fee. Yeah. Please tell him. Let me tell you something. If you know you got a problem with me, come to me.